Okay, we're going to find the greatest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers. So let's do 30 and 42. So first we need to make a factor tree. So we need to figure out two numbers that when multiplied by each other, we get the number 30. So let's do 3 and 10. 3 times 10 is 30. Once we get to a prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. So 3 is a prime number. We circle it. 10 is not a prime number. We could multiply 2 by 5 to get a 10. We circle those numbers because those are prime numbers. So right down here at the bottom, we have 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. This formula should always equal the number you started with. For 42, we have to find two numbers that will make a 42. So let's do 6 and 7. Are any of those numbers prime? A 7 is prime. 6 is not. We could do 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime. So this becomes 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. So we did the factor trees correctly. Now we're going to find the greatest common factor and the lowest common multiple by using the circles that I did in the other video. So you have to make two circles that overlap. At the top, you indicate what number each circle represents. Then we have to look at these and see which ones are in common. So we both have a 2. They both have a 2. So let's change the color and put a 2 in the center since they both have a 2 as a factor. They both have a 3. So we put 3 in the center because they both have 3 as a factor. 30 has 5, there's no 5 here. And 42 has 7, there's no 7 here. So 7 will go here, not in the overlapping area. And 5 will go here, not in the overlapping area. To get the lowest common multiple, you have to multiply each orange number that you see. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. 30 times 7 is 210. That would be the lowest common multiple of 30 and 42. Both numbers will fit into this number. For GCF, the greatest common factor, all you have to do is multiply the numbers that overlap or in the overlapped area. So we do 2 times 3. The greatest common factor for 30 and 42 is 6. And that's how you find lowest common multiple between two numbers and greatest common factor between two numbers. You could also do it with more than two numbers. We can make another video for that. But for now, this is how you do it with two numbers. Thank you.